Hello friends, Nagina Sharma welcomes you in our YouTube channel Bokaro Garden. Today I am sharing English version on Chiku plant. This video explains about diseases and remedies of this plant.
On behalf of Bokaro Garden, please find English version of Chiku plant, its caring, diseases which can affect it and its remedies. Number 1. Branches should be at least 1 feet above soil level. If at all it is to be pruned. It should look like umbrella. Second point, fruit comes twice in a year. First it comes between February and June, and next between September to October. It takes 4 months to get fruits from flowers. Pluck fruits when it ripes well. Avoid plucking unripe fruits. Fourth, 2 to 3 years flowers or fruits can fall. It is natural. But if it continues to do so, then treatment is necessary. It likes sunlight. Irrigation should be with water more frequently in summer and less in winter. Seventh one is fertilizer. For plants between 1 to 3 years, per plant, what you have to give? Number 1, about 15 kg of gobar khat, 200 to 500 gram of urea, phosphate 300 gram to 600 gram, potash 75 to 250 grams. For plants 3 years and beyond, that is up to 10 years, for 3 years and beyond up to 10 years, per plant fertilizer is to be given like this: 10 kg gobar khat, 2 to 3 kg arandi or crunch cake, plus NPK 10-10-10 or 20-20-20, 250 gram per plant. Every increase in year, doses of above fertilizer should be increased. In spite of above cares, if the flowers or fruits fall, treat the plant as mentioned below. Number 1. When flower appears, spray zebralic acid. When fruits start coming immediately, spray Planofix. And leaves problem if any, spray carbaryl or chlorpyrifos or quinol phos. Take any one of them, mix with water and spray on leaves at 20 days interval. Stem rot caused by fungus. Carbendazim or dithen jet. This also to be mixed with water and sprayed. Phyllosundri or Balosundri, use clinal phos, and read directions and proportions to use the medicines given on the packets or bottles. Now I will demonstrate how fertilizers are to be used. See, this plant is already giving fruits. It is healthy also. We have given already the necessary fertilizer. But for your convenience, I am showing at what distance from the root it is to be given. So the fertilizer is to be given at least 1 feet, 8 inches to 1 feet beyond the this is NPK. See, we have taken a distance of 8 inches to 12 inches from the tree's root and poured the fertilizer like this, and this now will be covered with like this. So the fertilizer has already been applied, and now give water, sufficient water, like this. Give the water like this after giving fertilizer. Whenever a chemical fertilizer is used, give some. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Wish you good luck, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye bye, goodbye.